Hi guys, my name is Jordan. I'm one of the Habima counselors. Today I'm going to show you guys a few activities, mostly just 3 of them, that you can do at home. This is all stuff that you probably already have at home, or if you don't have them at home, that's okay. You can probably find something else to use. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is something that you probably have been using a lot of, and that would be toilet paper rolls. I'm going to show you 2 activities today. They're really simple. The first one I'm going to show you is how to make a cell phone stand using a toilet paper roll. So here's a couple of things that you're going to need first. You're going to need a toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll. And if you have a paper towel roll, just cut it in half. The other thing that you're also going to need, markers, paint. If you don't have paint, that's okay. You can use markers or crayons. Last thing that you're going to need, scissors. So what you're going to do first, you're going to take your paper towel roll or your toilet paper roll and you're going to flatten it with your hands. Or you can take it and you can press it down on your counter or your table. Flatten it with your hands as much as possible. After you've done that, take a marker, draw a line going down for a little bit, then one going across, and then one more line going down like that. I'll show it to you so you can see it a little bit better. Then if you want, color the back too. Or if you want to wait until you cut out the whole thing to color it, that's fine too. Next, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut around the line. And then it's going to end up looking like this. Then you're going to take your scissors again and you're going to cut 2 little sections so that they will fold in like that. And you can turn it, kind of looks like a little bit of a house. And make sure that you have those sections pushed in, just like this. I'm going to pull my camera down so you can see it. Should lay flat like this, again with the sections pushed in. I'm going to show you with my cell phone. And you can take it and do it like that. Or if you want to take your phone and put it vertically, you can. Makes it a little bit heavier. As you can see, it's not really standing that well. That's okay. If you want to watch a video, it's probably better if you do it like this. If you decide that you want to take your paper towel roll or your toilet paper roll and decorate it or add some glitter, more markers, decorate however you want to, go right ahead. I just made this one really quickly so that way you could get an idea of what it looks like. But definitely try to be more creative than I did because this one is just a plain red color. All right, I'm going to put this off to the side and I'll come back to it just to show you the, all of them all together after we're all finished. All right, I'm going to bring my camera back up. All right, the next activity I'm going to show you is also a toilet paper roll. It's one that I thought would be a lot of fun. So again, I'm going to show you everything that you're going to need. You are going to need a toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll. Markers, paint, again, if you don't have paint, it's okay. Or crayons, glue, you can use liquid glue. I would refrain from using a glue stick, it might not hold as well. And or a glue gun. If you do have a glue gun and you're not sure how to use it, ask for help. And scissors. So the first thing you're going to do, just like with the previous activity, you're going to take your toilet paper roll and you're going to flatten it with your hands again. Flatten it as much as you can. Make sure that it's pretty thin at that point, as you can see. Then you're going to take it and you're going to cut sections of it. So that way they end up looking like this. Now I took a blue marker and I just colored the sides of it. Again, it's not very special. It's not, too crazy. If you just want to color it, you can. Or if you really want to get creative and you want to decorate it, you are more than welcome to do so. Make it look really nice. You probably have seen something like this online on Pinterest or anywhere that you can find crafts. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take these and you're going to glue them together. I'm going to take my glue gun over here. I'm just going to add a little bit of glue. And then I'm going to take my other one and I'm going to press them together like this. Make sure that you don't get any glue on your hands because it hurts. Then I'm going to take the two that I've already made, and I'm gonna add them to the ones that I've already have right here. So again, I'm gonna take my glue gun, make sure that I have enough glue in it. Put a little bit of glue right there, and a little bit of glue right here. So you can see that I have 2 dots on each side. Now I'm going to take this part, I'm going to press it against this one right here, and then I'm going to take the other side, and I'm going to hold them like that. Again, make sure that you do not get any glue on your hands, so that way it looks kind of like a flower. Showing 2 on each side. Right? And if you want to put something in the middle of it, just so it looks more like a flower, I have these little stickers right here. They're just little dot stickers that I have that I use for work. So I'm going to take probably one of the pink ones, and I'm going to place it right in the middle, like that. So if you want to get more creative with it, you can tie a string through it, hang it up somewhere if you want to, or if you have adhesive magnets, you can put one on the back of this and hang it up on your refrigerator. Just a cute little activity that you can use with, again, toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls. All right, I'm gonna put this one off to the side, and again, I'm gonna show you guys all of them together after we're all finished. All right, the last activity that I have that I'm gonna show you is a really fun activity. It doesn't take a whole lot of stuff, but one of the things that if you don't have, it might adhere to not using the activity or doing the activity. So what you are going to need for this activity is you're going to need paper. You can use construction paper if you have it. Regular white paper is okay too. Food coloring. You're going to need a straw, a cup of water, and you're also going to need a little bit of dish soap. So you're going to take your cup of water, and I've already filled mine. So what I did was I took a cup of water and I filled it a little bit with purple, yes, it was purple food coloring. Just a couple of drops, maybe 1 or 2, not too much. Then I filled about a couple of drops of dish soap. It can be any kind of soap that you use. It can even be hand soap that you have in your bathroom. Then after that, I put everything in the cup and I mix it all together. I'm going to put it on a piece of paper so it doesn't get too messy. And after you have everything together in your cup, just stir everything together so that everything is mixed. Then you take your straw, you put it into your cup, and you're going to start blowing some bubbles. Now that you have a lot of bubbles right here, you're going to take a piece of paper and you're going to start pressing the bubbles against the piece of paper like this. Make sure that you can get as many as possible on there. Again, if they don't show up, try to mix it again. And blow again until you have more bubbles that are coming out of the cup. See how it's overflowing like that? So you can take your piece of paper and rub it against the bubbles. It's going to start to make a little bit of a design on it. And maybe you don't want to use purple. Maybe you want to use a different color. That's okay. I have 2 other colors. So I have pink, even though it looks kind of orange, and I have this teal, even though it kind of looks a little blue. So I'm going to move my purple off to the side, and we're going to try these 2 instead of the purple. So I'm going to grab some dish soap, and I'm going to show you. I'm just going to use a couple of drops, and a couple of drops here. Put that off to the side so it's not in the way. Now I'm going to mix it a little bit. I'm going to mix this one too. All right, so let's try it and see if we can get any kind of color onto our paper. All right, now I'm going to take my paper. I'm going to run it against all the bubbles. And if you can see a little bit of it, it's kind of starting to turn a little pink. There's some purple, maybe some bigger ones right here. All right, let's try it with our teal. All right, see if that makes any kind of color. Oh, it does. So after you're finished doing that, put your paper off to the side so it can dry. If later you decide you want to go back and color in the bubbles, or if you want to write it, send a letter to somebody, that's always a really great idea. I'm sure it's something different than anybody has ever seen before. But that's pretty much all the activities that I have for you guys today. If you want to find more toilet paper roll activities, go online, type in toilet paper crafts or activities. You will find a ton of them. One of the ones that you can create a bird feeder using almond butter or sunflower butter. Spread it all over the toilet paper roll or paper towel roll, and then just cover it in seeds if you have seeds. Don't go out and buy them if you do not have them. This is just something, if you have it at home, try using them. Another thing you can also use a toilet paper roll for is you can put it into a plastic container or a cup. Plastic cup is probably better. Fill it up with soil. Again, if you have soil at home, do not go out and purchase it if you don't have it. And seeds. Again, same thing with the soil. Don't go out and buy it if you don't have it. Fill it up with soil, then put some seeds in it. Put the soil over the seeds, and this can start as a beginner planter. After the seed has grown, you can take it out of there and actually put it into a potted plant, or you can just take this and put it into a potted plant and cover it with soil. So there's your activities for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to show you the final products. Remember, this was our flower that we made using toilet paper rolls. And this was our cell phone holder. So remember, make sure that that the sides are pushed in. And again, decorate these things, make them look really cool, make them look your own. Be inventive. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.